Hi, this is Martin from EXP in Las Vegas. I can't wait to show you this area. There are a couple of houses for sale in the same area. It's near 215 and Tropicana. It's a fantastic area, southwest Las Vegas, not far from Summerlin, a few minutes away from shops. Off of the 215, there's everything around southwest, and the west is booming. Perfect location. Low HOA, it's only like $40 a month. And right behind me are the homes. So let's have a look. So you like what you see so far? You won't believe it. Here we go. I can give you the facts. $535,000, over 2,200 square feet, 2,251 to be exact. 4 bedrooms. That's right, 4-bedroom house in Southwest. I already told you it's a great. So that's it. That's a summary now. Another thing is the 1-bedroom downstairs with bathroom. This is a great feature, and I'm going to show you that now. Then I'll go upstairs. So remember that. That's great if you have guests, if you have a relative, and if it's an older person that doesn't want to go up the stairs, they can use that really nice bedroom and bathroom downstairs, conveniently downstairs. This is the downstairs full bedroom and bath that I mentioned. That's the bedroom. Here's your full bath. This is great because it's downstairs. Now we'll go upstairs. This is the loft area. It's quite spacious. Look at the natural light everywhere. This is the primary bedroom with the high ceilings. Again, the full bath, of course. Double sinks, bath, and the shower area, nice glassed-in shower area. And I'm going to show you the closet. Walk-in closet, all prepared for you. There's the double sinks. And now I'm going to go back to the loft area. Show you the bathroom that's for the other 2 bedrooms, full bath. That's bedroom number 2. Look at that nice view. Loft area again. That's your washer and dryer room. There's bedroom number 3. And the loft area. I hope you enjoyed this. DM me for more information. There's the ceiling. Thank you.